Hey, it's Tenla and welcome to the channel. I just want to show you how I change my 14-year-old car key into something better for nowadays, okay? Look at the key. It's been, it's seen better days than today. I'm pretty sure. Look at that. I put some hot glue to maintain the key in position because it's all flimsy now. Look, I can show you how how bad it is. So I'm just gonna fix this one. I put some hot glue. I'm gonna remove it. A terrible. Let me show you how bad it is. Yuck. There. Whoa. And that one just broke off. Alright, so I'm gonna change it. Wow, it didn't hold anything. There used to be a screw right here, but it's also gone because there's no plastic left to hold it in place. I'll break it open. Yeah, hold like this and then slice it up like that so that one will pop. See, there's a screw here. Just removing the screw. Well, there it is. The key fob, it's kind of dirty. A lot of dust. Well, it's still good. Still work. Which is good. Alright, that's all we need. And this one, it's just garbage, I guess. Let me see if it has any other. Okay, so that's my key. What I ordered from AliExpress is this one. I also ordered a key cutting service from them as well, sending them a photo of my key. I took a picture of this original key and sent it to them, and they machine into this one. Look at the quality. I don't know if you can see it. It's not bad. We're matching exactly the same, which is, I'm gonna try it later on and see if it's good. So the keys, this key probably gonna be able to open it, but we have to put this one in there. All right, how do you open this one? Oops. And there's a screw right here. Should have opened that instead of the other one. There it is. And we can put this one in here. Actually, they give me this one as well. Look. I'll post the link where I actually order these parts from AliExpress, so you can check it out. Silicone, that's good. All these new buttons. That is supposed to be like that. And then you close this one. But wondering if I can use the original one so I don't have to. There. I can still use original one, no problem. So they send me these parts as well, but I don't think that I'm gonna need them unless you want to remove everything from this and put it in here, but I'm not gonna do that. So I'm just gonna reuse the old compartment, the key fob compartment from the old key, original key, into this one. I pay about $10-12 or something. I don't know exact, but that's what I pay. More than $10. And that looks okay. I just have to clean it up a little bit. and put this one back. Oh, there it is. Yep, like that. And close. Put a screw in back in place. That's it. That's a new key. See if I can press it. It's fine. I can press it. I can open it. That's fine. Right? Cannot even put it in. Oh, it doesn't work. I cannot put a key inside. Alright, that's bad. So yeah, that's bad. It's no good. So the key cutting service from them doesn't really work. I don't know. I think that I'm gonna replace the original key with this one. This one is bad. It doesn't really work at all. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, after I tested out with the car, the key cutting service from their AliExpress store doesn't really work for some reason. I don't know. And I don't want to risk forcing this one inside my my key starter. And so I'm risking of this one stuck in inside. So I'm gonna use this original key to put it in here, just like this, like that. I don't know. Okay, I'll try it out to do it. So it's kind of greasy in here. All these, and that thing came off from here, and the spring loaded, so you can, so make sure you don't lose it. Probably there's a pin in here. It's a hollow pin. Somehow I have to push it to get this out. See if I can put it out. Get something small to push it out. Let's try with this one. There. Oh no. Okay, so I put onto the fixture like this. I put the pin in here. I hit with the hammer, and the pin actually go right there. You see it coming up. So when it coming up, we can pull the key out and replace with the original key instead of the key cutting service from AliExpress. This one doesn't work. The pin will come out like that. Oops, it drops. All right, so that's a tiny pin. All right, don't lose it. All right, so we can pull this one out. Come on. There it is. All right. Wow. So somehow we have to get this one, the original key, lining up with this key, and so, but for sure that we have to cut this one. Well, I have to cut this one off, and then we can put this one in there. I mean, we probably have to file this one down to make it look like this kind of shape. You see the shape? Yeah, it's thinner here. So I'm just gonna use a hacksaw to saw this one off, and then we can use a file to clean up later. It's almost broke up. Alright, broke off too. So, all right. So I'm gonna use a file to make it look like the AliExpress keycard. So if you can see the mark, I mark it. So that's the line that when I put this one in there, that's the maximum that I can go down. So that's a mark there that I need to do. If you go all the way in too much, it's not good. You don't want your key stuck inside a key socket, okay? So mark it according to the original key. And then you can file it down all the way to the mark line. You see, that's the mark line. Yeah, yeah, you see the mark line there. According to that line, I'm just gonna mark it on top here as well. All right, and then I'll also mark on this side too. It's hard to see, but there. All right, just an update with my original key that I modify. The one with the hole, that's the original key, and I file it down to exactly the dimension that this one is supposed to be. I think it's 2 millimeter on this thickness and 6 millimeter on this thickness on the middle. So I test it out with this key. So I go in directly. That's fine. Make some sort of like a grooving thing onto this, like what they have. Like that, just mark a location of that groove and make a cross through like a grooving. I mean, make it like that, and then it should be good to go. Okay, so I line them up between my original key with the AliExpress cut key in order to make a groove, like exactly line up with this line. So I'm gonna run a line like this to make a small grooving. All right, a triangular file to make a line, to starting line. Yeah, you see that that's a grooving. Probably gonna use this one to make it like, it's not a best ideal situation, but it will work. Look. You can do anything with a file. Pretty cool, eh? Takes a while to do it, but all right, that's good. No more. All right, let me see if I can put a pin. There you go. Yep, good job. All I gotta do, I gotta push them right through it. I mean, another way to do it, there you go. Perfect. Okay, my pin went right through it, like that. Not gonna go anywhere. Tight. Wow, I'm happy. Alright, so I got the key in there. This is the cap. Put it back in here, and then the spring loaded. There's a the extruded thing go to the bottom. I think so. I don't think it's go on the top. And this one go on top like that. Yep. This one go to the bottom. Yeah. Yep. Okay, now all you do, put a screw back. Yeah, pretty good. Done. All right. That's good. I'm gonna order some different kind of replacement for this one, but for now, I'm just gonna use it like that. Looks much better now. There you go. Yeah, let's get inside and start a car. Wow, it works. Take some time. Turn on the light. Yeah. A brand new key from the old key. Didn't work with a new key cut from AliExpress. But anyway, okay, guys. Hope you liked the videos. If you like it, please give it a like. Subscribe to my channel. And until then, see you in the next video, okay? Bye for now. One more time.